Hi guys, welcome back. I am Shushmita. Today I am going to share with you my experience of the solution of acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads and breakouts. In this summer, each and everyone face the same problem, that is the acne problems. Here is the solution. So let's get into the video. To solve these acne problems, you have to do 3 steps. That is, one is separation, second one is spot treatment, and last one is healing. And I will show you these 3 steps step by step. So let's get into the video.
First step is separation. Take an ice cube, folding with cotton towel and rub on the swelling area. Ice mainly reduces swelling, inflammation and ease the acne. The second treatment is spot treatment. Here I am showing you all the 4 homemade remedies. You can do any one of all. First remedy is to take half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of honey and half tablespoon of lemon juice. Turmeric. Here I use the raw turmeric. I prefer this mostly. Powder form, which has some chemicals. Turmeric has antibacterial property. It fights acne and lightening the blemishes. Cinnamon powder, that has also antifungal activity. It is mainly antioxidant. It helps to remove acne by drying out and supporting blood flow. Lemon juice. It acts as a natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells and that can clog your skin pores also. Honey. Honey removes dirt from pores deeply, hydrates and tightening skin pores for clear the skin. First you mix all the ingredients and make it a paste I am showing you and apply on the affected area with an earbuds. Leave it for 5 minutes to dry. After application, you can feel some irritation because of the work of the paste on your affected areas. And wash it off with cold water. Please make sure don't rub your face with towel whenever you wash it. Second homemade remedy is to take 2 cloves of garlic and make it paste with rose water. You can see it and apply it on the affected area, same with an earbuds. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Mainly garlic has antimicrobial property. It reduces swelling, inflammation, improve blood circulation. It gives nutrients to the skin also. And rose water, it's mainly soothing the skin. After the application, you can wash it off with cold water. third homemade remedy is to take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix it with 2 tablespoons of rose water. Please make sure you make a thick paste. Baking soda is not only a good exfoliator but also balances the pH of your skin. Rose water, it also soothes your skin. Make it a paste as you can see and apply it on the affected area with earbuds also. And leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After the application, you can wash it off. Last, fourth homemade remedy is to take 1 slice of lemon and from it take 1 tablespoon of juice and mix it with a 1 tablespoon of honey and make a liquid paste. Lemon is mainly acts as an natural exfoliator. It also removing the dirt particle and dead skin cells. And honey that also removes dirt particle deeply from your pores and hydrates also. And apply on the affected area with earbuds. Or you can use fingertips also. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and wash it off with cold water. The last step is healing. Here I use Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can choose any aloe vera gel from your choice. With the fingertips, you apply on the affected areas and it helps to heal the redness, irritation and inflammation of the area.
Here are some tips for the treatment of acne from me for you. First, please don't rub your face with the towel whenever you wash it. Just dab on your face smoothly. Never burst out the pimples with your nail. Please keep your face always clean. Remember to moisturize, reduce the stress level and exercise and eat healthy. Hope you guys all like my video and this video also. If you like it, then give a thumbs up and comment down below it is helpful or not. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.